Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on Bluetooth tethering. Okay, so with Bluetooth tethering, you can use your phone's mobile data to connect to another phone, a tablet or a computer to get access to the internet. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So it's actually real simple. Just pull down the notifications and go into settings and then scroll down to where it says connections. And just make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Then scroll down to where it says mobile hotspot and tethering. And here you will see Bluetooth tethering. So share your phone's internet connection using Bluetooth. And all you have to do is just turn that switch on. And as you can see now, it's ready to share this phone's internet connection with another device. So like I says, you can share the internet connection with either another phone, a tablet, or a computer. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.